Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Products plugin of RedmineUP. So before start you have to download the latest Pro version from your license manager. Please make sure to also have the Contacts plugin because it is required for the products to be able to work. The light free version of Contacts plugin is enough for the products to be able to work. It could be downloaded anytime from our site. Here it is. CRM or Contacts plugin is the same. So we have to just go here, click on download, and then request the light free version to your email. Okay. Also, you could if you'd like, you could install the light free version of the Products plugin. It is here in the list. So it is the same. You click on download and request the light free version. Okay, so let's go back to the process. When you download your zip file, either Pro or Lite version, you have to extract it first. And then you should copy the inner folder, this one, Redmine/Products. Afterward, you have to go to your Redmine core folder and then find the plugins folder. Here, please paste the products. Okay, so next step is to open your command line and navigate into the Redmine core folder. In our case, it is Redmine 5.0. So the first command is bundle install. It will install all the required gems for the products. The second command is the migration one. So here into the name section you have to put the name of your plugin. In our case it is the Products. These are just warnings for developers, so please skip them. The plugin will work correctly no matter of these messages. So the last command is for restarting Redmine. It is with touch temporary restart .txt. Alright, so let's go to our Redmine and check if we have installed our plugin correctly. So we just refresh our page and wait a couple of seconds because the restarting of Redmine takes some time. And as you can see, the Redmine Products plugin has just appeared. So these are the steps for installing the Products plugin of RedmineUP on Linux, in our case Linux Ubuntu. And thank you very much for watching this, and see you in the other videos. Bye bye for now.